Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make velocity edit with vibration flash shake effect on CapCut. So first, for the velocity, I'm going to do it only on the first clip. So I'm going to just go to style and then use the auto velocity. Okay, so just wait until it's done, the velocity. Okay, so it's done, and just click on the check icon and next. For the next clip, for the vibration flash shake, you just need to click on the next clip here, the second clip, and go to animation in and select the swing bottom animation and set it for 0.2 seconds. Okay, click on a check icon and now go to effect, video effects, click on the nightclub and then find the vibration flash, this one, and set the effects like this. So for the speed and intensity, set it into 90. And then the glow 50 and range 90. Okay, so it will go like this. Click on the check icon and now put the effect in between two clips that you want the shake effect to apply. So here I'm going to put it in here like that, and then after that just copy the effect 3 times and put it under like this. Okay, and on the copied effect, so this three is right here, adjust the glow on the effect 0. So after this, you just need to repeat all of the steps that I've shown you into the rest of the clips. Okay, so I've already done all the steps that I've shown you to all of the effects, and here I'm going to show you the result, the final result of the vibration flash effect. And here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.